Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you exactly step by step how you can set up Slack on your computer, for example, to access it via Windows 10 or Windows 11 depending on your operating system. So let's get started. Start by launching your favorite web browser and Google search and type in the search here Slack and select the second entry you see below. That is going to redirect you to Slack's homepage. Here guys, you absolutely don't need to download and install Slack as an application. If you like, you can do that, for example, and download Slack on your mobile device. However, if you'd like to access it through your desktop computer, Windows 10 or Windows 11, all you will need to do is to log into your account here through your web browser. So click on Get Started here, and after that, enter your email address here or sign up with your Google or Apple account, and they feature both a free as well as a paid membership plan here on Slack, but we're going to talk about that just in a moment. And after that, go through a short account setup process. First, Slack will ask you to create a workspace and also ask you to permission to send you promotional emails, including tips, news, and offers. So you can either accept that by clicking on Sure here, or decline that offer by clicking on No Thanks. And after that, click on Create a Workspace here to continue with the setup. And after that, Slack will ask you a couple of questions about workspace, your company brand, and your team. So start by entering your company's or team's name here. Click on Next. After that, enter your name here and upload a photo if you like. That's, however, only optional. Confirm by clicking on Next here at the bottom. And the next one is pretty important, guys, because you want to use Slack, for example, to communicate with your team members in your brand or company. So what you want to do next, guys, is simply invite new team members to your team here on Slack by entering their email addresses here, or by copying your invitation link and by sending that invitation link to your team members. Also, you can add contacts from Google Contacts by clicking on that button here, or alternately skip this step if you'd like to invite team members and coworkers to your team later. After that, name or select the purpose for your team here on Slack. For example, the project you've been working on with your team. This could be anything according to the description of project, campaign, an event, or the deal you're trying to close. So I'm gonna name my project YouTube Automation, confirm by clicking on Next here. And as previously mentioned, guys, there are two membership plans you can choose from, like the free one, for example, as well as a paid one. Currently, they're running a 50% discount for your first 3 months, which would be $4.38 per person per month. A paid membership comes with a lot of benefits and bonus features like unlimited messages history or unlimited audio/video conversations and so on and so forth. However, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to stick to the free membership plan, which is 100% free with $0 per person and per month. So click on Start here below, and after that they will redirect you to your Slack panel where you can, for example, create new channels or communicate with your staff members and co-workers here through a direct messaging feature. You can also post messages and notifications here in your channels, for example, so that everyone in your team will be notified of your message. For example, you can also address specific team members by placing an ad, and after that the name of your team member here. It's actually super simple, guys. So that's how you install and use and set up Slack on your computer on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.